Today we're taking a look at the Hytera BD615. This is a UHF digital portable radio. It's a rugged radio for harsh environments. So let's take a quick look at what we get in the box. You get a manual, you get the radio itself, there's a battery, there's a clip, there's a strap, and of course there's an antenna. Not shown today is the desk charger and power supply, but it is included in the kit. So let's assemble some of the components. The radio battery clips on like this. When it's on there, the removal is via a clip at the bottom, like so. If you want to fit the clip, you need a screwdriver to fit that with 2 Phillips screws. It's a very robust clip and I doubt you'll have much trouble with that. And of course, lastly, there's the antenna, which simply screws on, and that's the Hytera BD615 assembled. So let's take a look at the radio. You can see it's a smallish radio, but it's very robust. It's very robust indeed. We've got no display on this particular model, but we've got a PTT on the left hand side, or a push to talk. We've got a button below that. We've got on the right hand side this section where you can have headphones and two-way communications and even USB. When I say headphones, I mean headphones and mic as well. The radio has an on and off and a channel select.
1, 2, 3, 2, 1.
So you can hear which channel you're on without actually looking at the radio, which is an important aspect for some customers. The Hytera's BD615 two-way radio, it inherits the excellent performance of Hytera's TC6 series of analog products. That provides professional communication, which is easily operated, rugged and reliable. Today, communication tools are the key to improved efficiency. When we ask for clear voice, it means wanting a reliable, easy to hear and understand source of communication. Long battery life, from this battery on the back, helps you maintain control. A rugged and robust device takes the worry out of communicating. High performance combined with a simple user interface helps ensure ease of use. Hytera understand their customers' requirements and provide all of that in one solution. With lightweight, easy operation, excellent performance, long battery life and reliability, they redefine a business radio using Hytera digital technology and quick response to what you need. This radio is nice to hold in the hand as well. It's light, it's analog and digital. With innovative design, the BD615 has better performance than many analog radios when it's in digital mode. Excellent reception sensitivity means the effective range for communication can be extended. The 615 DMR digital radio has no interference, providing a stable communication connection. It's rugged and reliable. The BD615 features a bold two-colour design and tested to meet military standards 810G, including temperature, shock, vibration, high and low temperature and humidity. The IP66 dust and waterproof design guarantees the device's reliability across different environments. And with digital encoding and correction technology, the human voice is transmitted clearer without noise, even over greater distances. This is a new experience in the world of improved audio quality. On the front here you've got a little LED, and that LED will be red for transmit and green for receive. One of the important features about the BD615, there are 2 batteries available for this. In digital mode, this unit can work up to 16 hours with 1500 mAh battery, which is the standard battery as supplied on this unit. There is an extended battery at 2000 mAh, which will operate for up to 22 hours in 5590 mode. Other features, some of which I've mentioned, it's reliable and durable. It's compliant with MIL standard 810G and IP66. There's an adopted digital encoding and error correction module. BD615 has the ability to avoid signal interference on the same frequency. It's DMR signaling. With DMR signaling, transmitting group call, private call and call with PTT ID become quite easy. There's a repeater mode operation as well. Utilise the DMR Tier 2 repeater to extend your communication range. Channel number announcement, as I showed, helps you switch channels quickly and correctly, even when you can't see the radio. There's a Vox feature. This feature allows you to activate the radio and microphone via your voice's volume and frees your hand from PTT. There's a scanning feature. This allows the BD615 listening to communication activities on other channels. This is a reasonably robust radio, like I said. LRS sells this as part of the Hytera series of radios that has 2 years warranty. That's an impressive amount of time for a relatively low-cost radio. There are a number of accessories available for this unit, such as an EHM15A, which is a D-style earpiece with inline PTT and mic. It's got a Vox switch on it. There's an EHM18A, which is a C-style earpiece with inline PTT and mic, again with a Vox switch. There's an ESM12 earbud with PTT on the mic, again with a Vox switch. An EAM12 earbud with PTT on mic, with Vox. An EAM13 two-wire surveillance earpiece, again with a Vox switch. There's an ACM01 PTT and mic only with 3.5mm jack, which is IP54 rated. There's an ES01 receive only earbud, an ES02 receive only surveillance earpiece, an EH01 receive only C-style earpiece, and an EH02 receive only earhook speaker. There's a PC76 data programming cable, which might be important to you if you want to set things up in different ways. There's an SM08M3 remote speaker microphone with 3.5mm audio jack. There's an SM26M1 remote speaker microphone, which is IP54 with a 2.5mm audio jack. There's an NCN019, a washable nylon chest pack, which is easy to carry. There's an NCN011, which is a nylon carrying jacket for this unit. The optional BL2018 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery is readily available. There's also a 6-unit charger, an MCL19 BD50X multiple unit charger. There's a CHV09 vehicle adapter, and lastly the stubby antenna 400 to 470 MHz, an AN0435H13. So there's a wide range of accessories. It's always unimportant until you've bought the radio, and then you need those particular accessories. This is why we mentioned them in this review. The radio has 48 channels and 3 zones capacity. The channel spacing is 25 or 12.5 kHz, and the operating voltage is 7.2 volts. The standard battery, as I've said, is 1500 mAh, and it's lithium ion. The battery life for analog and digital is 11 hours for analog and 17 hours for digital. The weight of this unit, which can be important, is 240 grams, and the dimensions are 108 by 54 by 29 millimeters. Importantly, the audio power output is 0.5 watt. On the transmission side, the VHF high power is 5 watts and the VHF low power is 1 watt. The UHF high power is 4 watts and the UHF low power is also 1 watt. Regarding dustproof and waterproof, it's IP66 standard. Well, we have mentioned the 2 years warranty. That's an important aspect for LRS because we only sell equipment that has substantial warranty with it. We don't sell cheap Chinese radios that you can find on eBay or Amazon that have no warranty or virtually no warranty because you can't send them back to China or their origin. We only sell branded products like Hytera, ICOM, Kenwood, Motorola and other brands. You can trust LRS to supply you with radios that have come from the proper channels and have full warranty, and that's a very, very important aspect that you might overlook in other situations just buying from some website somewhere. Always speak to our Hytera experts because they will guide you to the exact radio that you need for the best performance for your business. Call us on 01782 537,000. Or you could visit our introductory website, hightiraradios.co.uk, where you'll find basic information about the High Tira brand. Although it is only an introductory site, it's operated by Long Range Systems and not High Tira. Thank you for watching the video today, and we look forward to talking to you soon.